The composition of bauxite is very complex, is a variety of different geological sources, of aqueous alumina or general name. Bauxite ball pressing machine is according to the type of material divided out of the equipment model, mainly used to press hard to form powder materials. Its main bauxite material powder, electrolytic stone materials for processing. Pressing effect is very obvious, good effect, and obtain higher economic benefits. It is characterized by high forming pressure, adjustable revolution of the main engine, and screw feeding device. Widely used in bauxite: aluminium ash, iron powder, coke coal, aluminium powder and other powder, waste slag, pressing molding work. Plant production of bauxite ball press. Production, line cost saving, simple operation, clear structure, easy to maintain.